second defrost of this unit. And again, that one defrosted before I got here, unfortunately. This one might defrost again. Try to catch this one with my camcorder. I don't know. Maybe I'll first try with my GoPro then. Because I know how this thing works. Usually if the frost gets down to here, then it will go into defrost. But this thing will run for an hour before it goes into defrost because it has the 60 minutes. Timer. Sorry for the shakiness, I'm freaking shivering like hell. Thank God for stabilization. Oh, it's really hot, wow. It's warm. I just dropped my phone. This thing is more frozen than it was the first time I came here. What I mean by that is, the other time I came here to get this thing defrosting, it was not running, and it actually started up, and I waited the full hour for it to defrost, so it shouldn't be long. It's really frozen, so it should do it for me again. Hopefully I'll get it with the better cameras, so. I'm gonna start doing this thing where I record defrost with my GoPro and my camcorder if I can. So, yep. Thanks for watching.